Lennox Error Code 228 indicates a high-pressure switch open fault in your HVAC system, typically air conditioners and furnaces. This means the high-pressure switch, or HPS, has opened, suggesting the refrigerant pressure is too high or the switch is malfunctioning. The high-pressure switch is a safety device designed to protect the compressor from damage due to excessive pressure. Identifying this error early can prevent costly repairs. This is especially relevant in older units before 2018, but is also being seen in newer variable refrigerant flow systems. The high-pressure switch, or HPS, plays a crucial safety role in Lennox HVAC systems by monitoring refrigerant pressure in the discharge line. Located between the compressor and the rest of the system, the HPS acts as a protective switch that prevents damage from excessive pressure. The HPS monitors pressure continuously. If pressure exceeds the safety threshold of 400 to 650 psi, depending on the model, the switch opens automatically. When the switch opens, it cuts power to the compressor, stopping operation and preventing potential explosions or refrigerant leaks. Once pressure returns to normal levels around 300 psi, the switch should close again, restoring normal operation. However, Error code 228 occurs when the high-pressure switch remains open even when pressure is not excessively high and the system is not actively cooling. Several factors can trigger Error code 228 in Lennox HVAC systems. Let's examine the most common causes. First, overcharged refrigerant. When too much refrigerant is added to the system, it causes excessive pressure in the lines, triggering the high-pressure switch to open. Second, blocked condenser coils. When dirt, debris, or pollen accumulates on the condenser coils, it restricts airflow. This prevents proper heat dissipation, causing refrigerant pressure to rise and activating the error code. Third, a faulty condenser fan. If the condenser fan isn't working properly, it can't pull air across the coils effectively. This leads to poor heat dissipation and rising refrigerant pressure, which triggers the high-pressure switch. Fourth, a defective high-pressure switch. Sometimes the switch itself fails, either staying open when it should close or giving inaccurate pressure readings, causing the system to register error code 228 incorrectly. Finally, high ambient temperatures. When outdoor temperatures rise above 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 38 degrees Celsius, the refrigerant pressure naturally increases. This can push the system beyond safe limits, triggering the error code. Before calling a technician, you can perform some basic checks. First, inspect the condenser coils to ensure they are clean and free of obstructions. Use a garden hose to gently rinse them. Second, check the condenser fan to verify that it is running smoothly. If it's not, there may be an electrical issue or a failing motor. Third, confirm the air filter is clean and replaced recently. A dirty air filter can restrict airflow on the inside of the house, making the unit work harder to cool the house. These steps might temporarily alleviate the problem, but professional diagnosis is often necessary. When error code 228 appears, a qualified HVAC technician begins the diagnosis process. They use specialized tools to identify the root cause safely and accurately. The technician starts by using a multimeter to test the electrical continuity of the high-pressure switch. This verifies if the switch is opening and closing properly at the correct pressure thresholds. Next, the technician connects pressure gauges to measure the refrigerant pressure levels in the system. This helps determine if the refrigerant charge is correct or if there's an overcharge causing the high pressure. The technician then checks for any refrigerant leaks using a specialized detector. They also verify that the system uses the correct refrigerant type, like R410A, to ensure compliance with regulations and proper system performance. Based on the diagnosis, the technician may perform several repairs. This could include adjusting the refrigerant charge to optimal levels, replacing the high-pressure switch if it's malfunctioning, or repairing the condenser fan motor to ensure proper airflow and cooling. Regular HVAC maintenance plays a crucial role in preventing error code 228 and other system faults. By addressing potential issues before they become problems, homeowners can avoid costly repairs and system downtime. Key maintenance tasks include annual cleaning of condenser coils to remove dirt and debris, regular checking of refrigerant levels to ensure proper system pressure, and inspecting the high-pressure switch for proper operation. According to industry data, implementing preventative maintenance can decrease the likelihood of pressure-related faults by up to 60%, saving both time and money in the long run. To ensure ongoing system reliability, consider enrolling in a maintenance program with a certified HVAC company. This provides professional oversight and regular checkups tailored to your specific equipment. The HVAC industry is rapidly adopting predictive maintenance through IoT and AI technologies. These systems use sensors to collect real-time data on equipment performance, allowing AI algorithms to analyze patterns and predict potential faults before they cause problems. Lennox is leading this trend by integrating advanced diagnostics into their newer models. Smart thermostats and app interfaces enable real-time monitoring, detecting issues up to 50% earlier than traditional manual inspections. This proactive approach minimizes unexpected breakdowns. Additionally, blockchain-based refrigerant tracking is emerging as a solution to minimize overcharging errors and ensure environmental compliance. This secure technology records refrigerant usage and maintenance history, helping technicians make informed decisions. These advancements in HVAC diagnostics aim to significantly reduce system downtime, improve overall energy efficiency, and lower long-term maintenance costs for homeowners and businesses. Let's examine real-world examples of Lennox Error Code 228 to understand how this high-pressure switch fault manifests in different settings and how it can be resolved. The solution involved professional cleaning of the condenser coils and adjusting the refrigerant levels to proper specifications. Following this maintenance, the system ran without faults for over 2 years, demonstrating the effectiveness of timely intervention. In a commercial example from a Chicago office building, a Lennox variable refrigerant flow system displayed error 228 caused by a malfunctioning high-pressure switch. This switch failed to properly monitor the discharge line pressure, leading to the fault condition. The resolution included replacing the faulty switch and implementing Lennox's iComfort monitoring system for real-time diagnostics. This proactive approach prevented a complete system shutdown, ultimately saving $5,000 in potential downtime and productivity losses. These examples highlight the critical importance of regular maintenance and proactive monitoring in preventing Error 228 and similar HVAC faults. By addressing issues promptly and implementing monitoring systems, both residential and commercial users can avoid expensive repairs and downtime.